Hey everybody, I'm Brandon at Vancer, and today we're going to go over a winter checklist for your machine. We're going to start in the left rear compartment of the machine and work our way around. Located in the left rear of this machine is the ether bottle. We recommend having a couple spares just in case they run out and your machine won't start. We do not recommend spraying a starting aid of any kind down the intake tube due to causing damage to the engine. This machine is equipped with an air compressor, and the air drain is right here. And we recommend draining that at the end of every shift to keep the water out of the air system, which the water will damage the components. In front of that compartment is the engine block heater. Every machine will have a sticker saying where it is at. This machine, it happens to be located right here next to the batteries. We recommend plugging them in at night, so in the morning they will start easier and the warm-up time will not be as long. On the compartment in front of that, in here, is a cabin air filter. There is a second cabin air filter that is located on the floor of the compartment. It's important to make sure those are clean to allow airflow in the cab to defrost your windows during the winter time. As far as starting the machine and warming it up when it's cold outside, we recommend keying on for 3 to 5 seconds to let the glow plugs heat up. Once those 3 or 5 seconds have went by, go ahead and start the machine. Wait 10 to 15 seconds at idle before running a function. And then after that 10 to 15 seconds has passed, go ahead and run every function that you can to its full range of motion at low idle. Once you've done that, turn the idle up 2 to 3 notches and go ahead and run them through their full range of motion again. And then turn the idle up all the way and then run everything through their range of motion as far as you can. And once you do that, you're ready to go to work. We're now going to head to the right rear compartment of the machine where the fuel filters are located. It is important to have spare fuel filters due to gelling or waxing of the fuel. Waxing will start at about 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, and gelling of the fuel, which will prevent starting, will start at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. The fuel filters on this machine will be located side by side, and they have a part number for the filter that is actually on the fuel filter housing. It is important to regularly grease your machine. If you do not grease your machine regularly, you'll have an expensive repair bill once your parts start wearing out. Again, I'm Brandon at Vancer. We'll see you next time.